Okay, what we're going to do next is build a Facebook fan page. So you'll need to sign into your Facebook account and come to this page. The address for this page is www.facebook.com/pages/create. You can also get to it by clicking the resources button above this video. If by some chance that doesn't work, just go to Google and search Facebook fan page, and you'll find it right near the top of the search results. The type of ads that we run in Facebook, they require that you do have a fan page. Now, it's very easy to do. Don't worry about it. If you've never done it before, I'll walk you through it step by step. Now, the type of fan page that we're going to make is a generic fan page. It's not really geared toward any specific niche. This way you could test lots of shirts on one page, so you won't need to make lots of different pages. Now, to make this type of page, we can either use product or brand, or cause or community. I've used both. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to go ahead and choose cause or community. Now we need to give our page a name. You can name it whatever you like funny t-shirts, cool t-shirts, I love t-shirts. Just keep it pretty generic. I'll just call this one Fun T-shirts. Then I'll click Get Started. Okay, now I need to give my page a description. I'll just write fun limited edition t-shirts that you can't find in stores. It doesn't really matter too much what you write in here. Most people aren't going to read it anyway. And you don't have to add a website here. Now we need to add a couple words in here to make our URL unique. Fun T-shirts. Then click Save Info. Okay, I see that I can't use Fun T-shirts in the URL because it's already taken. So I don't want to waste time with this. I'll just click Skip and let Facebook choose the URL. Now the next step is to upload a profile picture. You can use pretty much anything you want in here, a smiley face, an icon. What I'm going to do is just grab the t-shirt from our first campaign. So I'll go to the campaign. Now I'm going to right click on this thumbnail in the corner and click Save Picture As. Then I'm going to save it to my desktop. Okay, now the picture is saved on my desktop. I'll go back to Facebook. I'm going to click Upload from Computer. I'll go to my desktop. It's off the screen, but I'll just double click on the t-shirt image. Wait for it to upload a second, and there it is. Now I'll click Next. Now you can click Add to Favorites so you can easily find this page on your personal Facebook page. Now click Next. Now Facebook is asking us if we'd like to create an ad to promote our shirts. We're going to skip this step, so click Skip. You can go through these to see what they are if you like. I usually just skip these steps. So click Next. Click Next again. And there it is, our page is set up. Now you can add a cover photo if you like. It would be something related to t-shirts in general, but if you don't want to waste time with that, you don't really have to. Now we need to create a post to place our ad on. We could either create a status post or a photo post. For this beginner's course, we'll just create a status post. It's a little bit easier since we don't have to use a program like Photoshop. So first we want to write a little bit of text, and we want to keep this short and sweet. Okay, so I wrote just released, not available in stores, and get yours here. I also clicked enter to put a space between each sentence. Now after get yours here, we want to have a link to our Teespring landing page. So I'm going to go over to Teespring. Now I'm on my campaign landing page. I'm going to copy this URL from the address bar. Then I'm going to go back to Facebook and I'm going to paste that link in right after get yours here. You'll notice that a picture of the shirt automatically appeared, and this is what we're going to use for our ad. Now if you know how to create your own ad images by using image editing software, then you can go ahead and do that and upload the images here. If not, just use the image that Teespring gives you. Now if you add your link and this image doesn't appear, just refresh your Facebook page, then do it over again. Now there's one more thing we can do before clicking the post button. With this type of ad, you can change this text here. Now I'll just leave this title like it is because it's not bad, but I could put something like for boating enthusiasts or just leave the words limited edition up there. Now for this text, I'll leave it all here, but I'll just make it a little bit neater. I'll click on it so I can edit it and add a little space between the words. Then I'll remove the word below. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm ready to post. Now I'll just click the post button. Now I just want to check to make sure that when I click the ad, I do end up on my Teespring landing page. And I do, it works well. Okay, so that's good. All right, it all looks good so far. The next step is to set up our Facebook ad campaign to start driving traffic. And we'll do that in the next video.